Glory to Jesus Christ, glory to the God forever. So it is a manual of how to have probably on all the browsers, or to have access directly, not for like we must first, when we start YouTube live streaming, we can, as you know, we must first stream with our camera. Then there is, in modern browsers, there is a menu then where we can switch on also desktop streaming. But here is a plugin extracted for Allosoft downloader and elaborated, and you can use this plugin for any browser, even very old browser, to stream YouTube or any other platform for streaming, which enables you to stream from your desktop directly without switching on your VGA webcam. So this is a menu where you, with the last step, when you click to start streaming, and here, as you see, I have VGA webcam and screen capture plugin. So you see the background was switched to another style. So this is the style of the desktop of current computer. So how to install this stream, how to install this plugin. So here you have in archive two files. This file is for, you need to copy to disk C, Windows, and sys-wow64 folder. Probably, I don't know if you have a 32-bit version of Windows, it has x86. This one goes to be copied to C, Windows System 32, but you need to edit with Notepad this file of registry. Then you just can continue to install in this for x64 Windows version. You just click on this and click match to registry. That's all. After that, you need to reopen your browser or close and open it, and you will have this menu, and you can start streaming directly without going with your webcam and then switching to desktop streaming. Such a manual, it is glorifies the God forever.